Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel Shell's Hearts Art, and today I'll be doing a video on my November sewing makes. So let's get started, and I'll also be doing a brief review on my little red dress. So let's start. Okay, so in no particular order, I'll talk about one of the items I made in the month of January, which was my self frosting outfit, and I used McCall's M7864. I have it right here, and I will post pictures at the end. I did View D, which is the jumpsuit that features the flounce right here. View D, it has a flounce, an invisible zipper, and it has the tie ends. Really love the way it came out. I did use a stretch velvet that I purchased from Joann's, and I have it right here. Overall, I think it's a great pattern. Love the way it looks. Yeah, here it is. Really pretty fabric. Love the flounce so much, and like I said, I will post pictures at the end so you can get a really good look at it. But yeah, really love it, and that was my self frosting entry. And basically, if you don't know what self frosting is, it was basically like an Instagram challenge hosted by Closet Case Patterns and True Bias Patterns, and it was just to motivate you to create something that was out of your element, something a little different that you wouldn't usually make. So that was my contribution to self frosting. Really loved it, and yeah, that was my self frosting. Next, I made a Freya dress by Tilly and the Buttons. I have it right here. I used a gold stretch velvet from Joann's fabric. Here it is right here. It's a gold stretch velvet. Really pretty. Yeah, and I talk about it all the time. So here's the pattern right here. It's in this book. The pattern's not right here, but it's in the book. Let me see if I can pull it up real quick. Let me just, here it is. So I'm pretty sure most of you all already seen the pattern. I mention it like all the time. But yeah, it does feature ruffles around the neckline, but there are alternate variations. You can make the one without the ruffles, you can make the sweater version, elbow length, all the way to your wrist length, etc. So yeah, went ahead and made another sewing Freya. Love it. I love all the Freya dresses I've made because it's just such an easy pattern. You can get so much use out of it. So yeah, had to make another Freya. Next make that I did in the month of November was also a Tilly and the Buttons pattern, and I have it right here, and it is the Stella jogger and hoodie combo. So here are the joggers right here, and I use a Cali fabric knit. Really love the way this came out. I've already worn it a couple of times. Really love it. It's so comfy. It's great to throw on when you're running errands. So yeah, I love it. And here's the hoodie. I've never sewn a hoodie before, so yeah, this was a first for me, and I really love the way the hoodie came out. I actually ran out of fabric, which is why I had to do the color blocking. I initially planned to make a wrap dress with this fabric, and I think I mentioned that in the Cali Fabrics fabric haul, but I ended up using it for the Stella hoodie and jogger because I thought I would get a lot of use out of it, which I've already gotten a lot of use out of it. So I decided to make the hoodie and jogger with it. Overall, love the pattern. I see myself making it again because it is such a flexible pattern. You can wear it a lot. It's very easy and comfy. You can make it as pajamas, or you can make it as something to walk around and run errands in. Overall, I really love it. Highly recommend it, and I do think it's great for beginners as well. Okay, and last but not least is the dress that I made for the Little Red Dress Challenge. Thankfully, I was able to participate, and I used a very easy pattern. It's McCall 7771 right here. It's such an easy pattern, and I did View D. Absolutely love it, and I will insert pictures at the end, like I said. And I did the asymmetrical neckline with the one sleeve. Really love the way it looks. I used a knit from Joann's. So cute, and I paired it with the belt. Yeah, I really wanted to make something easy since I was kind of on a time crunch, so I looked for a pattern that didn't require too much. I initially planned on making an off-the-shoulder knit dress, but then as I was going through my pattern stash, this one popped out, and I decided just to go ahead and make this one. I really want to make another one. I can see myself making a lot of these in different colors. I think it's great for winter and summer because you can throw it on with like a jacket for wintertime and take off the jacket for summertime. So yeah, overall, really love all my makes for the month of November. And technically this was my December make, so this wasn't a November make, it was a December make. But overall, I'm very pleased with my little red dress. Very happy to have completed it again for the year of 2018. So yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media, Instagram, Shell's Hearts Art. Okay, thank you for watching again. Bye-bye, and have a nice day.